sounds even better from inside.
You ever seen one of these before? The sound it's making? It's called opera. The day my papa found his first chunk of gold, he went out and bought this thing. Listen, here's my favorite part.
So at the edge of the desert in a busted town full of broken people, the warrior began to learn stuff he should have learned a long time ago. Like the joy of getting dirty things clean. You also learned the joy of losing.
You're gonna need blood and bone of about 100 dead buffaloes as fertilizer. Smiley always tried to get something to grow. Never ever lasted too long.
He learned you could be happy working with folks. And finding the simple peace in some private time after a hard day's work.
What's taking you so long? Come on, Skinny. You gotta listen. Come on.
And he found that it's nice to have a few friends around when the sun goes down. But most of all, the warrior learned there's a heck of a lot more pleasure making things grow than there is in cutting them down.
You bunch of pups, give me that.
You win. Show me what you got. God damn! I should have never taught you this game. You're a shark with a poker face.
What happened to her?
Help me! Help
pretty thing.
Only thing was, when we went to bury her, she was still breathing. Never known nobody that close to kicking it. We didn't know what to do with her, if and she was gonna live or die. So we just put her in bed and waited. 2 days and she was eating soup. By the day 3, she was already sitting up somehow and slinging daggers at the wall. But God ain't fair. And some people just ain't cut out for the knife.
Dang it. My arm ain't worth a damn.
It is not your arm.
What'd you say? Ouch. Now, you sure about this? Because I'm not so good with my eyes open.
Throw.
I can't do it.
Do not talk. Focus. It is your heart that shakes.
You dead?
Not yet.
So you're not fountaining blood or anything, are you? Shit. I did it! Thank you, Mr. Sadfleet. Smiley told me everything.
I just taught you to focus. Why you do that?
Okay. I've always been dying to know. Why are y'all called the sad flutes? So you got lady sad flutes, too? Sad flutinas or something?
Yes.
Wow. That's nice. Jumping in the moonlight and kissing. As you both fly under the stars to the tunes of the sad flutes.
We are called sad flutes because when you cut the throat, the last sound is like a sad flute.
Dang. Skinny. Sure know how to throw a dead cat into a party room, don't you? Why'd you become a sad flute?
To be strong.
That it?
My father was working in the field. I was helping him. A swordsman came, killed my father, just to test his sword.
That must have hurt you something bad.
Not hurt. Angry.
Of course you were.
No. I was angry at my father.
Here. Take it. It's a present. My mama gave it to me. She said, if you hold it over your heart when you're sad, it takes away all your sadness. It works. Kinda.
Present?
Yeah.
That is your only friend here. Take good care of it.
Yes, master.